Good morning, students. Today we'll study chapter 12, subject and predicate, which is in your grammar book. Many a times you must have heard me saying in some of the topics of grammar that this is the subject and this is the predicate. So in depth you will be studying what actually subject and predicates are, how you can identify the subject in the sentence and the predicate in the sentence. Okay, let's begin. Subject. Subject in a sentence actually answers to the questions who and what. Okay, remember, subject in a sentence answers to the question who or what. We'll see in the examples further how do they function. Predicate. What are predicates? Predicate actually contains a verb and tells what the subject is doing. That means the action of the subject which is being performed by the subject, action which is being performed by the subject is known as predicate. Okay, let's see how you can identify them. Say for example, we have a sentence, she is washing her clothes. Okay, so over here, what is the verb? First we'll identify the verb. So the verb in the sentence is washing. This is the verb. Okay, so if we want to frame the question, if we want to ask the question to identify the subject, we'll ask who is washing the clothes. So what is the answer? She. We have the answer as she. So she becomes the subject. And the remaining part of the sentence, that is washing her clothes, becomes the predicate. Okay, let's see another example. The spotted green frog jumped into the pond. So what is the verb over here? First, which is jumped. Jumped is the verb over here. Okay, now who jumped into the pond? We are asking the question in the form of who. Why? Because we want to know what is the subject in the sentence. So who jumped into the pond? Yes, the spotted green frog jumped into the pond. So the spotted green frog becomes the subject, and the remaining part of the sentence, that is jumped into the pond, becomes the predicate. Always remember that predicate consists of verb. Always has a verb. Okay? And the predicate part begins from the verb itself. In both the cases you must have seen that over here also, starting from is washing, it is predicate. Is the helping verb and washing main verb. Okay, so that is why starting from the verb से ही हमारा start हो जाता है predicate, और जो भी question answer करता है who या what को, वो बन जाता है हमारा subject. Okay, so what we can conclude with that, first we'll see that what are the actually steps to identify subject and predicates in a sentence. मतलब sentence में कैसे हम identify करेंगे subject and predicate, उसके steps we'll read over here. First, identify the verb in the sentence. क्या करेंगे पहले हम? पहले सेंटेंस में हम सर्च करेंगे कि इसमें वर्ब क्या है, इस सेंटेंस में वर्ब क्या है. ओके, देन वील आस्क द क्वेश्चन हु और व्हाट. फिर उस वर्ब पे इस बेसिस पे हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे कि दैट एक्शन इज बीइंग परफॉर्म बाय whom और what. Okay, or what we are talking about. So we'll ask the question who or what. Next would be whatever would be the answer of that who or what से जो भी आंसर हमारा कंक्लूड होता है वो आंसर हमारा सब्जेक्ट कहलाएगा. Okay, and then rest of the part starting from the verb. See, rest part of the sentence from verb onwards would be predicate. Verb से लेके end तक, that means after full stop, that would be known as predicate. Okay, let's come to the definitions then. So subject, see the definition of subject. In the subject of a sentence, we name the person or thing we are going to talk about. We name the person or thing we are going to talk about. Okay, and what is the definition of predicate? In predicate of the sentence, we say something about the person. We say something about the person or thing. So these were the definitions of subject and predicate.